Dear friends, while commemorating the 50 years of imposition of the emergency, at an event, RSS General Secretary DATTATREYA HOSABLE on last Thursday said that the words socialism and secularism were added to the preamble of the Constitution during the emergency period, but those two words, secularism and socialism, were not found in the original Constitution issued by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in the Constituent Assembly. The statement of the RSS General Secretary seems to be a disciple or follower of Baba Sahib Dr. Ambedkar, but his ideas are quite contrary to the teachings and philosophy of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, which have been driven from his philosopher Buddha, the liberty, equality, fraternity, and these things have been enshrined in the preamble of the Constitution, and the words socialism and secularism had never found a place in the original Constitution, but it was inserted during the period of Indira Gandhi Congress government in 1976 by the Constitutional 42nd Amendment. The matter is that even after these things, these developments, the BJP and the RSS party time and again argued for the exclusion of these two words, secularism and socialism, from the preamble of the Constitution. It wants to establish manusmriti based Sanatana dharma, which is based on degraded inequality in Indian caste hierarchical system that should be continued forever, and the thought process of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar preamble like these things should be removed from the Constitution, and they want to establish Akhanda Bharat and Hindutva based Sanatana Dharma in India. In the Parliament, while making a debate on Constitutional Day, November 26, 2016, the then Home Minister Rajnath Singh has said that he has argued for the removal, moratorium or ban on socialism and secularism in the preamble of the Constitution. But there was a stiff opposition from the either by the treasury benches and also opposition parties to the debate made on moratorium on these two words, secularism and socialism, from the preamble of the Constitution. After finding the stiff opposition from both the treasury benches and opposition parties, he himself had admitted that Dr. Ambedkar had never thought of the necessity to incorporate words secularism and socialism in the preamble, as these words were part of the Constitution. It is inbuilt in the Indian system. Precisely, that was the reply given by the then Home Minister Rajnath Singh in the Lok Sabha. It is found in the parliamentary proceedings even right now. What is worrisome is that the 13 members constitutional bench of the Supreme Court of India in Kesavananda Bharati in 1977 itself, it has upheld that preamble, secularism, socialism, democracy, rule of law and federalism are part and parcel of the Constitution. Even the Parliament has no power to make any alteration in the basic structure of the Constitution. Even in S.R. Bommai case of 9 members constitutional bench, out of 9 members, 8 members have upheld the secularism concept in the Indian Constitution is correct, and the matter that have been put forth by The RSS and the BJP time and again in parliament and outside the parliament are nullified by the arguments made in the SR Bomme case and the Kesananda Bharati case and also the Lok Sabha proceedings. Further, of very late, the Subramani Swamy BJP leader had made an appeal in the Supreme Court of India so as to remove these two words, secularism and socialism, from the preamble of the Constitution, but the Chief Justice of India then has argued and judged that these two words are part and parcel of the preamble of the Indian Constitution, which is the basic structure of the Constitution. After more than this 70 years, it should not be disturbed in any way. But even after these judgments, Constitutional Court judgments, the RSS and the BJP leaders are time and again is arguing for this removal of socialism and secularism from the preamble of the Indian Constitution. They want to build their own Hindutva ideology based on Sanatana dharma, that is based on manusmriti. But on the other hand, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's philosophy is based on equality, liberty and fraternity, and the Constitution is secular, democratic, and the future of the Constitution would be decided by the future generation. That was the idea of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, why he has not inserted socialism precisely in the original Constitution. Hence, the attempts made by are going to be made by BJP and RSS must be defeated by all the progressive, loving and democratic forces in this country. That must be the fitting answer to the RSS Hindutva ideology. Unless or otherwise these things are arrested by the debate and discussions by the open-minded society, definitely the RSS and BJP would gain their advantages in the Indian polity. Thank you so much.